got this adapter, charging port. Let it leave it. This something manual type. Let's see. This is instruction given. This is the handle. It's so heavy. I thought it was lighter, but it was so heavy. Leather stitching is great. Nice handle. Wow. This is so nice. Logitech G29. It's got 960 degree rotation, and I thought this will be so bigger, but it is some smaller type. Not an issue. So let's see the pedals. Pedals are so heavy. Take it out. Wow, this is so heavy. This is so heavy pedal. So heavy. Pedals are so heavy. Clutch is smooth, brake is tight, man. Or accelerator, wow. What is? It's got some. It will stop when it plays in in carpets. The clutch is so smooth, the brake is hard. This is my review. I will get the